up, and welcome back to Get Ready with me. Alright, so today we are gonna do a simple date night makeup look, and it's not gonna be very hard. It's gonna be simple, yet it's gonna give you that sexy look. So yeah, let's get started. I have super dry skin today, so I'm gonna moisturize it really well so I don't get the cakey and flaky skin after my makeup is done. So yeah, let's get started. So I recently got this makeup band, which is super cute. Let's get started. So basically, you guys have to let me know in the comment sections below what kind of makeup tutorials do you like. Do you like the ones where I talk with you guys, or do you like the ones that I've been usually doing with the silent ones? So do let me know, and we can go on from there. See, this is super cute, honestly. Yep. Should I just go to my date night wearing this? Alright, super cute. Let's get started now. To moisturize my skin, I'm gonna use this ELF Prep and Hydrate Balm. This is something that I found which is really moisturizes my skin, because I have dry skin, especially in my, not this area, but this, and sometimes here. So yeah, this thing kind of calms my skin down, even if I have any kind of irritation because of the dry skin. So yeah, all right, I'm just gonna pat it down a little bit. I already applied my sunscreen moisturizer beforehand, and now I'm gonna use the master primer from Maybelline. I like this, it's really good. I like to prime first in this zone, here and here, and then I just take it off, take it on all over my face, very gently patting it down. Whew. I kind of needed that hydration, I feel like. I'm having so much more fun talking to you guys and doing the makeup instead of the silent ones, so please let me know in the comment section below which one do you like. Now for the foundation, honestly I have been in love with this Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. I've been using this for a pretty long time now, and I love it. I really need to try other foundations as well, so also you can let me know in the comment section below, suggest me which foundation should I try next. I like this because this really blends with my skin so well. I did not show it, but I always like to apply my lip balm before I start my makeup, so it's ready in the end for my lipstick application. I do not like to apply lipstick on a cracked lip, because it's the worst thing ever you want to do. Always never leave the neck part. You will always want to blend into your neck so it looks natural. It's time for the concealer. I got this NARS concealer recently, and I got the mini size because I wanted to try it. So yeah, see how it is. And I used it like 2 times now, so it's pretty good. But I think compared to the ELF, compared to the ELF one, ELF Camo compared to the ELF one, I think I like the ELF better, because it kind of brightens up my under eye area, whereas this doesn't brighten up that much. So maybe I might be wrong, but yeah, let's try it again today. Alright, I'm gonna blend it with my beauty blender. It does look good, but I think I still prefer the ELF one, the other one. the next video that I'm gonna do, I have a dry skin here, but anyways, the next makeup video that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the other one, and you guys can tell me which one is better. So now that my concealer is done, let's go some setting powder. I have this Elf from Elf. This is Halo Glow setting powder. This is really good. So normally I would just take a blender and just take like this, and then under eye, a little bit more on this side. Brush, I would just, you know, blend it in to brighten this area. Now you see, as soon as I apply the setting powder, this area is kind of brighter now. Don't you think so? Now we're gonna do our eye. So let's get started with this nude shadow palette. Oh, only if I can open it today. Oh, it's taped. So this is from Profusion Cosmetic brand, and it's the nude palette. Look how pretty. Ooh. All right, I'm gonna start with the clay, and I'm gonna blend it all over my crease. So I'm gonna use the crease brush right here. I'm gonna take it and blend it in over here. So I'm gonna keep the eye makeup simple yet attractive, because you know, this eye area, you have so much of story going on, and then you know, you talk so much with your eye sometimes. So this has to be simple also, you know. You kind of, I'm not able to find that word, but it's saying something about you. So that is what I like to go for. I want to go for. I'm gonna mix in with the Indulge over here, and I'm gonna slightly go all in the inner part here. That it looks so freaking pretty. And now I'm gonna go for the eyeliner. So let the eyeliner game begin. Not very good at it, but not very bad at it as well. So I'm gonna do a very thin, very sleek kind of liner. Kind of plan on smudging the eyeliner a little bit. So I'm going to use the Elf smudge brush, and what I'm going to do is lightly, you know, go upwards. This looks good, I like it. And now I'm gonna do the bottom part here. So I'm gonna go again for this palette, and I'm gonna use the Indulge again over here, all the way here. Yeah, looks pretty good. And something just went on this eye. But anyways, eye looks really good. And the final thing I'm gonna do for my eye is apply mascara. I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Paris waterproof voluminous carbon black. This one is really good, and there's another brand I'm gonna share it with you next time. That one is the one that if you apply it, it's really good and it's never gonna come off kind of thing. You use whatever cleaners you want, it doesn't come off. I mean, it's very good, but when you want to take it off, it gives you a very hard time. Oh, look at that eyelashes. Looks really good. Going to the bottom. I like to do very light in the bottom and not go dark. Alright, see how lightly I did it? You can see it, but it's also very light. So this is what I like. Alright, so far I'm loving the date night look. I hope you guys are loving it too. So don't forget to give me a subscribe, like, and share, and show me some love by commenting. Now, the next thing that we're gonna do is, drum roll, we're gonna contour. Alright, I recently got this famous viral butter bronzer. It's gonna be my first time using it, and no, not my first time, second time, because I did a trial one first time. And like it says that butter bronzer, it's not very buttery, it's powdery, but it does bronze and does a good job in contouring. So again, I don't know if I can open it. Yeah, and then it also comes with a brush here, this one, but I don't like to use this. I'm going to use my own contour brush again here, and I'm going to contour with this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to contour below my cheek here and here, and then I'm going to do some here, and I'm going to contour my nose. Alright, let's see. You see, it gives a good contour. It's a little powdery. It's good. So basically, hold on, let me show you. I take my concealer and put a line in here, like so, and then I blend it in. I don't do this step when I apply the concealer because it kind of, you know, doesn't give you that actual look when you highlight it or when you bronze it. Now that I blended it, you can see it's nice and bright, and then I can take my brush and I can blend the sides really well. Yeah, I think it's good. And now it's time to apply the blush. So I got this NYX Sweet Cheeks tint kind of thing. I really like it. I got them in two shades. One is this one. This is Blush Mousse, and the other one I'm gonna let you know next time. So it comes like this. All you gotta do is wherever you want to apply the blush, just do the spots, you know, like so. Brush, and then I just do this. See, it blends really well. Alright, makeup is kind of all coming together and looks good. Last but not the least, I'm gonna apply the highlighter. So I like to highlight in certain places, like here. So I'm just gonna do 1 and 2, and then I'm just gonna do 1 and 2, and then just 1 in the nose, because it's really this thing really blends and spreads very nicely. So I'm gonna do that brush, and I'm gonna blend it in. Kind of like to bring it, you can see the shine. I like to bring it a little bit to the cheek and then take it back all the way. And for my nose, I do with very light hand. I just do it like this. Yeah, you can see the shine. Something like this, very light hand. Just, you know, kind of, you know, spread it out. The final thing to apply is the lipstick. I'm going to be using today the butter lipstick from NYX. This is in which color? This is an Afternoon Heat. So yeah. Oh, looks good. I think it goes really well with the makeup because the makeup is not very strong, but also it gives you a very good and sexy look. And then on top of the lipstick, I'm gonna apply gloss. I'm using this from Victoria's Secret, so I'm gonna take a little bit. Gloss makes all the difference. Oh my god, it's the best gloss. I have two of these. One is in this color and one is in the lighter color. So when I apply lighter lipsticks, I can apply gloss on top of that. Done. I love it how it came out. I'm gonna quickly do my hair and show you the final look. Alrighty, I am ready. I did a high ponytail and I put on some earrings. Very simple yet elegant. As I told you, this is the theme of my makeup tutorial today. And yeah, it looks pretty good. It goes with my top. I love it how everything came together. I hope you enjoyed it too. And do let me know in the comment section below, did you like today's theme? Like, you know, not the theme, but the way I did the video, like talking to you guys and doing it versus the silent one. So yep, I really enjoyed it. I hope you guys try this look. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you guys in my next video tutorial. Until then, stay happy and stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.